Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. I am coming to you today from SeaWorld, Orlando. Now, of course, the last time I was at this park was the reopening day, and that was at the beginning of June. So fast forward about 2 months later, I am back. And if you watched my video when I was here, it was a disaster. SeaWorld was understaffed. Not much mask enforcement, little social distancing. I definitely wanted to come back because I'm an annual pass holder and I truly do like coming to SeaWorld because they have some really amazing coasters. Last time I was here, I didn't get to ride one of them just because I was ready to go because I felt so unsafe. But a few friends have been telling me SeaWorld has stepped up their game. So today I'm going to go into the park, have a good day, and see if anything has changed. And I really hope things have changed. And I hope at the end of this video I can say, I recommend you guys come to SeaWorld Orlando. So let's not waste any time. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. As we see, there's not a really long line to get into the park today. It's going on 12:30 in the afternoon. And now, let's go get our temperature checked. They have a camera now to take your temperature. That's really cool. Also, I'm already noticing more hand sanitizer stations. You know, there was supposed to be a hurricane or a tropical storm coming in today. But as we see, the sun is out. It's a beautiful day here in Orlando. I see SeaWorld has added some face covering signs throughout the park, and they are also making announcements on the PA system. Okay, we have made it inside the park. This time, they only asked to see my ticket. They did not ask to see my reservation. I really like this sign. Hey, buddy. I love watching dolphins. They're so fascinating. I will say the park seems less crowded today, so there is plenty of room for physical distancing. Well guys, I have officially been inside the park for not even 5 minutes, and I just walked by a family wearing masks but not covering their nose, walking side by side with a SeaWorld team member. I don't know, everybody else seems to be, well, there's some kids here not wearing it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm seeing more and more of these face covering signs, and also they have added a hand sanitizer station. Please practice social distancing, one group at a time. One thing that SeaWorld is doing that the other parks are not currently doing is they are offering fireworks every night. So they have added these ground markers all over the lagoon here so people can watch the fireworks, but at a safe distance. Looks like Electric Ocean is returning this year for a remix version on select nights, July 24th through September 6th. All right, our first ride of the day, Mako. It's only a 5-minute wait. We have plenty of ground markers heading to the coaster. Mako was a straight walk on. I'm sitting in the very back row. Here we go. One of the best coasters here in Central Florida. It's hard not to scream. It's still a walk-on, so let's go have one more ride on Mako. Looks like they're cleaning after each ride. Mako is always a good time. That is truly one of the best coasters here in Central Florida. One thing I did not see last time I was here, an empty section of the park. Going on hour number 1, everybody seems to be wearing some sort of face covering on their face. However, more people are not wearing it over their nose. But I mean, that's better than nobody wearing a mask. And also, neck gaiters are still allowed here. And I guess you can walk, drink, and eat and pull down your mask. I don't think it's stationary here. I'm not really seeing too many team members out and about kind of enforcing the mask thing. But at the end of the day, it's up to us to make sure we are wearing that mask. Hey Elmo, good to see you guys. I will give it to SeaWorld because they have really put out more signs and more reminders about the face coverings. The Sesame Street splash area is open, but they are only allowing, I think, 3 to 5 guests in the splash pad at one time. As we see here, this is the longest wait of the day. It is hot. You can still find the face covering relaxation zones around SeaWorld where you can head inside, take off your mask, and hang out. And here's a look at Icebreaker, the new roller coaster coming here to SeaWorld Orlando. Here's another look at Icebreaker. It looks really fun. The track doesn't look too long, but this backwards drop looks very, very fun. Whoa, look at Katina. She is the oldest whale here at SeaWorld Orlando. She's in the middle of a training session. That was a nice little break. It's so hot today. Sweat keeps getting inside my eyes. Ugh, you gotta love that Florida heat. Check out all of the new SeaWorld face coverings. I kind of like this one. I have a black one. Ooh, they're definitely stepping up their face covering game, just like all of the other parks. That dolphin one's cute. Buy 3, get 1 free, starting at $9.99. Here's another face covering relaxation zone right outside of Antarctica. Just in time. I love watching these guys. Look at this one waiting patiently for some food. This one is so loud. This is hilarious. Pick me, pick me. Oh, they're fighting. Oh, fight, fight, fight. Oh my, oh. Oh my. He still has his hand up. The party's over. It's like they knew. No more food. Oh, it feels so good in here. Had to come say hello. By the way, if you ever get way too hot here at SeaWorld, come in here because it will cool you right down very fast. Let's go have a ride on Fracking. Only a 5-minute wait. All right, here we go. Fracking was a walk-on. It's been a long time since I last rode this. I think the last time I rode this, it was a VR coaster. They're no longer doing that. Whoa, that coaster is wild. I had to take off my glasses because they almost came off. Wow. That was a lot of fun. As we are walking to our last coaster of the day, if you guys are enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It's free to do, and it also really helps out the channel. All right, let's go have our last ride of the day here at Manta. Only a 10-minute wait. Here we go. I love how they dangle you like Superman on this ride. That was a lot of fun. Whoa. All right, I think I'm gonna start heading out. I'll talk to you guys when I make it back to the car. Oh yes, air conditioning. It was a hot day. You know, I am actually pretty impressed with the park. I had a great time today. I rode all the coasters that I wanted to ride. We walked around the park. I showed you guys an update of the entire park. I'm impressed. However, I still feel like the park has a few challenges, such as they're just not fully staffed, and I feel like they need to do a better job at enforcing the mask policy. I think all the theme parks are guilty of not enforcing the mask policy enough. I feel like the parks really need to start kicking people out if they are not wearing the mask or giving them some sort of warning, because I'm just seeing more and more and more people not wearing the mask right. And you know, I believe in the mask. I know some of you may not believe in wearing a mask, but you know, science is science, and I think it works out. And that just really gives me the confidence to know that I'm safe by wearing a mask, so I can come back out and do these videos and just live life again. Today was a Monday, so at the start of the week, and it wasn't busy at all. Low waits, not huge crowds. You know, I can't really tell you when is a good time to come anymore because it changes daily. Like last weekend when we went to Hollywood Studios, it was a Sunday and it was empty. And then this last weekend, the parks were busy. Today, matter of fact, today I was trying to go to Disney, and for the first time, there's no reservations the same day. So it's just a gamble. I am also very eager to get back out to Busch Gardens, Tampa. Hopefully we can make a trip out there within the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It really does help out the channel, I'm telling you. If you guys are new here, please subscribe because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice. And YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your